Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. I wanted to share with you something that I just got today. It is a transfer pump, a 12 volt transfer pump, and this one is rated for gasoline, oil, diesel fuel, water, whatever you have liquids to pump, this will take care of it. Like I said, this is special because it is rated for gasoline. So it comes with this nice carrying case. Pretty solid design there. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you exactly what comes in the box. Okay, so like I said, it comes with a nice heavy duty case, 2 latches. You open this up, set of instructions. You have the pump itself connected to an inlet and an outlet hose, a funnel, an auxiliary or an extra fuel filter, and then in this bag here you have, this is your adapter. So this is what's going to plug directly into the pump. I'll give you a closer view here in a second. That can go into your cigarette lighter, or you can connect right to a 12 volt battery, and then that has the cigarette adapter right attached to it. Just plug it in like that. Also comes with this clip, which is designed to go into your fuel canister or whatever, and then your hose can go right in there. A couple extra hose clamps, Velcro hose retainer. Yeah, and let me pull this camera off here so you could see. Here's the pump. There's an on-off switch, and then this is going to connect right under that switch is the hole for the adapter to go in. So you're going to turn it on and off with that. One nice thing about this, now this is your inlet hose. So this is what you're going to be inserting into whatever you're trying to pump. And what's nice is there's a little cable on here with a roller. So this is designed to go down into a gas tank. If you're going into the fuel tank of a vehicle or something like that, that little roller is designed to get down into the bottom of the tank to be able to pull the fuel out. And then this is your outlet tubing. So I'm going to take this outside and demonstrate how it's used. Okay, so I'm outside. I have a 12 volt battery. Like I said, this is going to work on any of your cigarette lighters in your car or in your camper. We have our pump. So what I'm going to do is take out the inlet pipe, and I have a full bucket of water and an empty bucket of water. I have my cables here. I'm going to plug this in. This I already have plugged in, so red to positive, black to negative. And then this is designed to go right here on the bucket or in your fuel cell, whatever you're pumping into. And that's just designed to, I'll show you a little closer. That's just designed to hold this in place so you can kind of let this go hands-free. So I got my inlet in here. I'm just going to go ahead and switch the pump on. And I can see that it's filling up. And we're pumping. So you can see it's a pretty good rate of speed coming out of this bucket into this bucket. So like I said, this is designed for gasoline, diesel fuel, kerosene, water, even oil. It's designed to pump at about 95 gallons an hour. So this will get you a lot of movement with a small amount of pump in a small, easy to store container. So it's going to work great for me, like I said, for a lot of different things, for summer maintenance, fall maintenance with my power equipment. I appreciate you watching. Have a good day.